Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. It gives us great joy to welcome each and every one of you present here for this wonderful occasion. We have connected together virtually today for the inauguration ceremony of Just That Something. We are a startup company. For those who need an idea of a startup is a young company which is formed by the entrepreneurs off of an idea or a vision. So this works by changing the course through how unique the idea of the company is. It is to bring in a positive impact as well as a value to people. So before I start talking about our company, I would like to request Mrs. Nitya Kalyani ma'am, mother of Tangam Srinivasan sir, to begin the ceremony with lighting of lamp.
Say, I got this.
For everyone present here, we would like to introduce our company to you all. We are a startup company that is bringing together all creative minds to put out their art into the attempt of producing cinema. Our company pitches in ideas to work together as one. So basically what we do is nurture, develop and appreciate good cinemas, as well as create a space that allows us to be ourselves without any barriers. We are free to pitch in ideas and develop on it and learn about different areas of specialization without someone having to tell us that you only have to be in one specific area. So this is a happy place for all of us because it not only allows us to learn but to also work in a fun environment, and that is what is missing in most of the workplaces nowadays. So to talk further about our company, I would like to call in Siddharth Singh to tell you more about our company and its stages of work. Thank you.
Yes, good morning, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you who is gathered here for this ceremony. Okay, so the purpose of me explaining the process of our company is only one thing, that is transparency. So that like mainly it is only for our employees, the people who work with us. But then if each and every one of you know it, it'll just be better and it'll be transparent. So our work is mainly for the writers, and that the writer's job is divided into 4 stages, that is 4 months. So in stage 1, every main writer has to attempt to write 3 stories per day, which will make 90 stories in a month. That is for stage 1, that is first month. In stage 2, which is the second month, each writer will give 4 synopses of a full length feature film. And synopsis is like a brief, is like an elaborate, storyline or plot. That is so that if you divide it, it will be 1 synopsis per week. So 4 synopsis in a month. In stage 3, which is the third month, the team will be divided into two. Okay, 2 teams, each of 2 members. Okay, so 4 main writers will be divided into 2 teams, and each team will give two first drafts of a film. So that is, then we have totally 4 first drafts. Okay, and then when we move to stage 4, that is the fourth month, we will, all the writers and everybody will select one story and one script, which will then be converted into one full length feature bound script with dialogues. So this is our plan, and then after stage 4 is the production, the production time. So when a script is selected, be it a full length feature or a short, in after fourth month, that is after stage 4, that script will be produced. And then the writer, if he or she wants, the person can also direct the movie, or it is up to the writer. So that is how the process goes. Over to the team
Aishwarya.
members.
Actually, Aishwarya.
Yeah, Aishwarya.
She will tell actually.
We would like to introduce our company as well as the team members. So I would like to request.
It starts from Arjun.
Yeah, okay. So I'm Arjun. So I'm like cameraman or cinematographer, as you call it, of Jazz. So I'm just excited to work with all you guys, and let's start producing good content, and let's keep talking. That's it.
Okay. Then Pragdish for Arjun.
Hello everyone. So when I joined this jazz, the main thing that I understood is teamwork. Uh, when I approached them, they said teamwork is important, and they said what I was expecting for them to say. It really attracted me, and so I also got excited to work with them. I joined here as a cinematographer, but I don't want to be just a cinematographer. I need to play lots of role, which I could uh, for this jazz and create some many masterpieces, you can say. Yeah. So thank you.
Pragadish, direct, you want to be everything. Huh?
Everything.
Everything else as much as I could.
Okay.
Conditions applied raw.
I'm from Vairamali. I don't know you can speak, but still we'll ask. Vairamali?
Yeah, myself, Mayal, been amateur writing about 15 years. So all started from our first project from 2007. Myself and Thangam, who we made a small short film. So that's where the spark started. So full-time engineer, part-time writer and dancer, or dance practicer, so to speak. And yeah, full-time family man as well. That's short about me. Yeah, the main reason I also want to be a part of Jazz Team is about the collaborative writing. That is something maybe unconsciously I do with my friends, but I wanted to have it. Let's say technically, I want to improve myself also as a writer. So that is the point that I'm here with Jazz as an adjunct writer. Yeah, that's me and my goal. Thanks, guys.
Then we will move on to Shivani.
Hi, I'm Shivani. I'm from Rajasthan, and when I joined this company, I would like I had wanted to explore my interest and to grow for myself. But after joining this, and with so warm nature you all have, and so friendly you are, I feel like I'm not in a company. I feel like I'm in a family. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I really want this project to go a long way, and we all succeed in this. Thank you.
Roshan, that's our operation manager. So let's get it.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, all. So, like myself, Shirish Roshan, and probably I'm the first one whom Tangam has shared this beautiful idea of this company. So, we believe in this. We worked, I'm not really sure whether I did the half of the work which Tangam did, but I'm really grateful that so many people have joined today, and we all can together all can make it big, and hopefully looking forward to see a lot of projects, lot of people connecting together, and yeah, all the very best to all. Thank you.
Aisha.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Aisha. I'm from Bangalore. I heard about this company from my friend Aishwarya, and this is a very wonderful idea, and I'm very excited to work with everyone.
On to Surya.
Hey everyone, I'm Surya. I've been writing for a couple of years now, and I've actually written something with Siddharth as well, and many couple of other people, and I've been going around doing things with people, and I really enjoy the idea of collaboration. So when Siddharth asked me to, he roped me in for this whole thing, and when he convinced me that this is going to be pretty interesting because the whole thing is collaborative, and it was really interesting. And coming here, I really believe that we can make something out of this, and I really am looking forward to working with these people. And yeah, good luck to us.
Hey, Surya. And we'll move on to the energy of jazz, Siddharth Singh.
Energy of Jazz, quite a title. Hello, people. So, as you know from the little Zoom box, that my name is Siddharth Singh, and I have lived in most parts of India. I am from Bihar, and I traveled to Tamil Nadu 11 years ago because of my dad's work. And then, currently I'm pursuing masters from Whistling Woods International, Mumbai. And the reason why I joined Jazz, because first of all, the idea of working in a team for a script is the most fascinating idea I've ever heard, and that is what gives everybody the juice to work in a team. And as I've seen in Hindi film industry, that what kind of arguments that take place while people are the argument for credit, the quarreling, and all those fighting. So I wanted. There's no doubt that I did not want to join film industry. I want to join film industry, but I want to start a new trend. Like I just hope that we start a new trend of collaborative filmmaking. There is no one. There is no I here. There's always we and all of us, the team. So yeah, I look forward to working with all my friends, and I know most of them, so I know how they work and how I gel with them. So it's just positive vibes only.
Yes.
Thank you.
Then we'll move on to the one who believes first, actually, rather than me and Roshan. Aishwarya Ajit Kumar.
Hello everyone, I'm Aishwarya. I'm from Kerala. So I joined this startup company not only with the motivation for writing and directing and seeing all the departments, but because Sir's persuasion and his excitement, because he was so excited for this idea, I thought it will work. So, and for 1 month after we worked, it was very good. So we gelled a lot as a team, and we are so excited to welcome new members and meet everyone. And it's been a very good journey till now. And hoping to do more with this company.
Thank you. Thank you, Ash. Okay.
Now I would like to call upon Tangam Srinivasan sir.
No. Where is your agenda?
Mastermind.
Oh, I have to introduce myself. Okay. Hi everyone.
Yes.
As you know, my name is Tangam Srinivasan. I know most of you people. Now, why I started this, I have this in paper, so I'll read it later. So far, I'm Tangam Srinivasan. I'm creative head at Jazz. Okay, thank you, and we'll move on to website launch.
Okay, I'm going to publish it. Do some applause.
Publish it. Yes.
Yay!
So this is the homepage. We worked quite a lot on making this whole thing look a bit more streamlined, I guess. And then, I mean, it's a pretty rudimentary design. It's nothing too complicated, I guess. So this is the whole facade of this thing, and this is the About Us section. Where you have the agenda of the group, and meet the team is the founder thing, and all the whole, it's like a slideshow of all our faces, pretty much. And then this probably will become a very important part of the page, because we are hoping to update. Just right now, we're just working on things, and when it takes form, we'll be able to write about it in more detail in this page. So look out for it, I guess. And this final one is more of an outreach kind of a thing with regards to the whole careers, because we're always looking to collaborate, at least at this moment. So we're just making it easier for people to reach out to us, and even if they don't want, they're not looking for something as employment or whatever, they can just leave a message for us or something like that. So that's it. I hope this has come out pretty well.
Yes, really well. Good work, Surya.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, and we have a lot of guests here. They started their career like Jazz. So now they are like pretty much a good company. So if they can share their experience or give us some advice, it will definitely help us. So this is the guest part, right? Yeah. So I'll ask Mr. Gangadharan, who is also my brother and general partner for LFC, Liver for Change.
Hello. Yeah. So all the best to all of you. All big things start very small, and I wish for a very big achievement. See, this company has a vision, and I'm sure this company will achieve its vision. Why I'm sure? Because two things what I hear from every one of you, what you spoke, that's very inspiring, and I think that's an indication that the company has succeeded in its initial thought process. So I keep hearing teamwork and I keep hearing collaboration, which is the spirit of I think Jazz. So the first internalization of the concept of the company is done, which is a great success. Just one piece of caution: all beginnings are very good, but what is important is to pull through, right? And it's not a very small journey. See, in this country, or entrepreneurship for that matter, is not a bed of roses. Even conventional businesses take a decade to stabilize. Creative businesses don't follow the conventional way, so they can either leapfrog immediately or they take time. So I only believe each one of you have the conviction, and more than conviction, the persuasion to pull this through. I pray the Almighty for giving you the persuasion, and all the best to all of you. All the best.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Okay. We have Satish sir, who is the director of Flow Techniques Private Limited. Sir, if you can, some words, advice.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yeah. And first of all, congratulate Tangam Srinivasam and team, because we known as Armugam only. Congratulations, all the very best to the young and energetic team. And I wish all the success to you and your team members to be a great success. And I also appreciate, because I see all are a very young and energetic team. And you have to move on a day-to-day basis and actively and come to this field. And I'm totally surprised, and the way of Tangam Srinivasam directors has came to this field from mechanical engineering to the civil field, and as a writer and cinematography. And it's totally a different field. I'm sure there are a lot of people without experience, without their background, and without their idea and success in each and every field. I'm sure this team will success in coming days. All the very best to you, Megapati.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. And some of them said, don't call my name, so I'll pick one. That one, Suresh Kumar. Now, share something as a writer.
This was not part of the deal. Okay. Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year to all of you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I knew Arumugam. I mean, I also know Arumugam as Arumugam. I mean, not as Tangam Srinivasan. I knew him from Gangadharan, who is Arumugam's brother-in-law. We completed our engineering together in 2002. So, I mean, after 2002, I also wanted to be a director. The only qualification that I had was I watch a lot of movies, and I thought I could go and make some movies. So I went and spoke to my one of my relative in Radon Technologies, Radon production, the Radhika's the Chitti thing. So he was editor there, and now he's the editor for the Sashi the Shashi Kumar's team, Shashi Kumar and Samutaragani's team. His name is Ramesh. He's my family friend. So fortunately for me, I mean, he told me, I mean, movie making is not an easy thing. You have good academics, so run out of this field. I mean, after that, I mean, I went to Gujarat and everywhere. I was working as something. Then now I'm into IT field. I write. I'm a part-time writer, but I wish I could have been a full-time writer. But there are many other things which doesn't allow us to do that. So when Gangadharan, Arumugam's brother-in-law, he shared a few videos, few videos of the short films. I don't know whether this were the short films that Vairamail was referring to.
Yes, yes.
2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minute short films. I liked it. It was very simple. It was short, and there was a fun element, and like one of those guys acting also. So I mean, then I got touch with Arumugam because at that time I was in Chennai, so I spoke to him. We discussed some movies here and there, and one movie several times also. One of the stories that he had, we discussed several times. So whatever inputs that I could give, I have given it to him. So I mean, we've been trying to get something done at least for 3-4 years, I think, Arumugam, right? Or more than that.
Yeah, more than that.
Yeah, I mean, but he was he was trying his best in writing, but he himself has admitted to me that writing doesn't come to him naturally. So he was expecting someone else to help, and I was not available at that point of time. But over a period of time, a lot with whatever he is doing now. Gangadharan spoke about two things, which is teamwork and collaboration. But I would add two more things. One is passion, which I have seen in Arumugam's with my interaction with Arumugam so far. I mean, he's passionate about movie making. He wants to do a movie. I mean, it is. I mean, he has been trying to do this for quite a long time. So I see that passion in him. And I hope all of you share the same passion with you. And the other thing that I liked about Arumugam, which is what he is doing, is the process. You need for writers like us, we start with an idea and we start typing it. But and then you start draft editing, all those things, because we generally write some stories or things. But to make a movie, you need to have several other things, which whatever you're doing now with three short stories, 90 short stories, 450 short stories, then converting it into at the fourth month you're having one bounded script. So that is, I mean, that process will help you a lot in achieving whatever you want to do. So I wish you all the best, and I hope that whatever targets you have in mind, by April you have a very good script that is ready to go for production. So I wish you all the best, guys. So please continue.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for the advice. Everything now. Okay, I'm not forcing, but any guest you want to share something? I have my brother Vishnu there. Vishnu, convey your wishes and blessings or whatever.
Hello. Hi, Na. All the best to you guys, and all the best to everyone in the team. Seet also would like to share a few words.
Yeah, hi everyone. I think you guys have started an amazing journey. So be strong at all point of time, and I wish all the great success in this journey. So we wish, think differently and come up with great ideas. All the very best.
Thank you. Means a lot. Thank you so much.
One more from Galaxy 8, Murugan sir.
Yeah, congratulations to Jazz team. Good luck with your new business and wish you all the success and fulfillment towards your goal. I've seen that Tangam Srinivasan hard work and dedication on your work. Definitely you will be successful in your life and business. All the best, Arumugam. Tangam Srinivasan.
Yes, Arun.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Hi
sir.
guys. Happy New Year to you all.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I feel very happy to see you all young and energetic team here. and I feel now my age is reduced by 10 years. And Aru is our Challai Pillai. So like he has been with us for many years, and he's been a very passionate person. And I think we should work on no, some kind of passion. It's not so work for ourselves. So I wish you team all the best. Aru, special wishes to you. For any kind of support, you guys can reach me at any time.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you so
Hello.
much.
Yeah, all the best, all the best, all the best, guys. All the best.
Arvind Srinivas.
All the best.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll move on to the vote of
No,
thanks.
I think Arul sir had to say something.
Nothing. So I just wanted to say we'll be with you forever. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That is enough.
Yeah, thanks.
It is more enough. So thank you part is actually two part. One is very easy to all the guests. Thank you so much for your time, support, wishes, and everything. We'll make you proud. And the second part of thanks to my team, that is a pretty difficult part because I have to read something, which is I'm not good at it. It's still
Emotional speech, sir.
I'll try. Okay. Hey team, today I'm writing or speaking this, telling this not because that I can do it, but I have to do it. I would like to start this letter with the sentence, I believe in teamwork. Most of the time, a team may have people with different mindset, different cultures, different opinions, but when we put everything together in a single paper and just add something to the product that we want, then the quality as well as the quantity of the product increases astronomically. Yes, you got me. This is the quote I put in our website. I kept on saying this because I believe this. At some point of time, I realized any industry, or at least this filmmaking industry, teamwork gives you the liberty of producing various experiments and increase our boundaries as well. We all could discuss about this, but to prove it, we need a team where people could understand the value of collaborating their thoughts, and this process is more important. Advantage of being in a team, not everyone has to do the same job, whereas everyone takes a particular part which they are good at it and gives their best. When all the best comes together, then think about the output of the product. This kind of product is I want to see, I want to work. That's why I started this just at something. But like I said, I only can't do anything alone. For that, I need a team. That team needs a person like you all. I'm really happy that you understood this process same like me. All I can say to you, this new year, this new journey, come, let's work together. Whatever comes in our way, either success or experiences, let's face it or taste it together. I thank you. Give me a chance to be a part of your journey. I hope this new year 2021 will give you a chance to achieve your dream, or at least just add something in your life. Thank you once again and have a happy and prosperous new year. All your wishes and time, everything. And definitely we believe in teamwork. We have a plan to do, so we'll do something and we'll make you proud. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining.